Final is food blogger. I, full disclosure, had a food blog. It taught me how to use the internet. It was so much fun. I loved it. And so I learned a lot being a food blogger. So that's one of the reasons that this is an example to me. So if you don't know what a food blogger is, and they're still kind of popular. They had their big heyday, but they're still kind of popular. So basically what they would do is cook a recipe and then post the recipe and post pictures of it and talk about how they found the recipe, tips and things about it. So I think this is a great example of what you are called to do in this position when it comes to teaching faith at home. So good food bloggers, they experiment with new recipes. That's part of the job. They want to try these things out for themselves. So if if you feel like the cobbler's kids have no shoes, you trying faith practices at home with your own kids is part of your job. It's work. That's work time. You're trying it out so that you can help others to do it at home. You can experiment with these. If you don't have kids in your house or teens in your house, you want to do something with teens, you got to borrow some. So see if you can borrow some, have a focus group so that you can try these things out, right? You don't want to teach something that you've never tried or you don't know how it's going to work. You want to experiment and see which ones you like, that you'd like to teach. Add your own touches, right? I think some people, when they're doing a recipe, they need that exact first A, then B, then C. This is how you do it. But you all are from different denominations. You have different faith traditions. You have different intuitions, different theologies. Those questions about what you're trying to get to in the end are different. So you have different sprinkles of things. You might want to throw in a lot of extra cinnamon into yours. You are going to, if you want to do this well and in an authentic way, you can't just take somebody's ideas and throw them out. You want to adapt them for your congregations. And I want that as a caution for all the curriculum that you're previewing and using. A lot of people want to push a specific product maybe, but you know your people better than anybody else. Nobody knows them as well as you do. And so follow your instinct and your heart and get rid of things in big quantities that don't fit. Balance old and new. Food bloggers will try the latest thing, the latest recipe, but they'll also just really teach you how to make a good basic bread. So I encourage you to balance the old with the new. Faith practice, we have so much to learn from the early church about how they did this in community. It's not, doesn't have to be new and fancy. Can be, and I love the new and fancy, but I think that you will balance that. And so the food blogger is as opposed to, blanking on what I said, a chef. So you're not there to make the finest meal and prepare it for your people so that they eat it. You're just showing it and displaying it for them.